Hi gorgeous! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on this beautiful hair transformation for my clients. Take a look at her root. Her natural black hair has growing out about 2 inches since her last bleach, highlight, and color service, which was about 5 months ago. She wants a natural dark mushroom brown shade that will blend in beautiful way with her natural black root, allowing for smooth growing out with a minimal maintenance until next year. We are going to mix two different formula bowls today. First bowl, we will use a mix of Pravana 6.22 dark intense beige blonde and 6A dark ash blonde in 1:1 ratio with a 20 volume developer. This formula will create seamless blending into her natural black roots. Second bowl, for the rest of the hair, we are mixing Pravana 6.22 dark intense beige blonde and 7.22 intense beige blonde in a 1:1 ratio with a 6 volume developer. Since the ends are previously bleached, we only needed to deposit color, so we don't need to using more than 10 volume. Apply ends formula first, then move on to the length and root with a second mix. This technique ensures all even, well blending color visual without any harsh line. Don't forget to use K18 hair mask. After shampooing, skip the conditioner and apply 1 or 3 pumps of the K18 Hair Pro mask, depending on your client's hair length and density. This step is the key to restoring strength and smoothness. Apply with the hands and using brush. Also add a K18 hair oil halfway through the dry her hair before finish the style. Look at this beautiful shiny hair color. Can you see how smooth and glossy your hair look? This hair color is also low maintenance. Here's the before 3 hours ago. Oh my god, so brassy and little orange, right? And this is after 3 hours ago with the sohe. I absolutely love this natural mushroom brown with a dark dimension. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching it.